Dear students, first of all, you should understand this environmental science is a mandatory course. Mandatory course is a compulsory course. All the schools in India and the colleges prescribe this course in their regular curriculum. And you should know why this is a mandatory course. We ask three questions. Why environmental studies become mandatory? And who asked you to study this course? Then, when this historical changes happen? Century was historical century. 1940s, the world was broken, and all the governance was destabilized, and this led to agriculture problem, food problem, and which led to famine. 1970s and 80s, the population was soaring high, and this led to a lot of problems in environment. And because of that, industrial revolutions happened, and this to feed all the 700 crores of population. To feed the 7 billion people, 700 crores of people, there are different revolutions happen, and all the government people and the scientists, they worked hard and they brought green revolutions, which is more about agriculture. Then white revolution, milk and dairy. Blue revolution is mostly of sea, where now you get a lot of fishes. Then finally the edible oil, which is nothing but yellow revolution. This is modern agriculture. In traditional agriculture, where for example, a paddy is harvested once in a year. But in modern agriculture, it is harvested 3 times. Then that is a case where every 100 days harvesting is done. For that, now we are using fertilizers and pesticides. When you use fertilizers and pesticides, mostly the excess fertilizers and pesticides will be harmful to the soil, where you have a soil pollution will be there. When the excess chemicals are there in the food items, most likely taken into the human system, where it harms the health of human beings. This is Jersey cow, which gives 15 to 20 liters of milk, and compared with the Indian cow, which gives only 2 to 3 liters of milk. So plenty of milk is available for the population. With the food grains available and vegetable available, you cannot feed the millions of people in the world. So we have to switch it over to the sea, where you can catch fishes and grow fishes. Commonly we use coconut and ground oil for edible, but to feed all this population, we have to switch it over to some other oil seeds, where we find through mustard and sunflower, where you can produce a lot of oils which are less in cholesterol and not harmful to living beings. Because of the industrial revolutions, the world faced a lot of environmental problems or environmental issues. So to bring awareness in India, in 1991, Chief Justice Ranganath Mishra promulgated Union government to make environmental study a mandatory course to be introduced in the curriculum of in all schools and higher education, to mitigate environmental issues such as pollution, global warming, and ozone layer depletion. The environmental problem became a global issue, and hence the Global Earth Summit was organized in the Rio, capital city of Brazil, in the year 1992. To conclude, I would like to say that to make the public to aware of the severity of the environmental problems, the problems can be solved. This is possible only by educating the younger generation, like school children and youth of the college. Then the earth can be saved from being ruined or perished.